historic gathering and reunion. Dear alumni, a hearty welcome to St. Columbus, the campus that was once your second home for 10 or 12 years, where you walked with dreams in your eyes and hopes in your hearts, where you studied and shared, laughed and loved, prayed and played, found good friends and great teachers. How happy I am to see that you have taken the trouble to come from near and far to walk down those memory lanes and reconnect with your school that you so dearly love and cherish at heart today. I am grateful to God who has willed it and who has brought together all of you, the proud daughters of St. Columbus. I want to remind you that the one thing that binds us all together, despite the differences today in our age, lifestyle, and career, is that we all share the common heritage and common tradition that we inherited from Manuel Lehr, the beloved founders of the presentation systems. I'm so happy to share at this moment the great news that she has been raised recently by our Pope to a venerable state in the process of our sainthood. And I request all of you to pray that she may soon become a saint one day. A great institution makes an impact on everything it touches, on the minds and dreams and characters of students, on the world of ideas and their practical application as we transfer knowledge and innovations to the world beyond our campus and on the communities in which we engage, locally and around the globe. I am sure you have contributed to the world community through your creative talents and innovative skills through various fields such as teaching, engineering, medicine, commerce, industry, business administration, and modern technology. I am sure there are so many teachers, engineers, doctors, corporate executives, proprietors, researchers, scientists, journalists, and of course, homemakers sitting in our midst this evening. I congratulate each one of you on the great achievements and milestones you have made in life, and I want to say that St. Columbus is immensely proud of you and will always be. This institution looks upon you with pride as a smart and capable